In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add wallpaper on Facebook Messenger. Even though Messenger does not let you upload your own image as a wallpaper, you can still change how your chat background looks using themes, colors, and gradients. First, open the Messenger app on your Android phone or your iPhone. When the app loads, you should see your recent conversations with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you are on the account where you want to change the chat background, since each account keeps its own chat appearance settings. Now, open the chat you want to customize. Tap that conversation so it fills the screen. You should see the full message history, your text box at the bottom, and the contact name or group name at the top. The background behind the messages is what we are about to change, and it only affects this one chat, not all chats at once. Next, tap the person's name or the group name at the very top of the chat screen. This opens the chat details view. You will see options like media, notifications, and customization settings. If you accidentally tap the profile picture instead of the name, just go back once and try again, since the name area is what opens the settings for this conversation. From there, tap the option labeled Themes. This section controls how the entire conversation looks, including background style and bubble colors. When you open it, a full screen panel or a bottom sheet appears, showing different visual styles you can apply. Messenger updates this list from time to time, so you might see seasonal or special event themes here as well. Now you will choose what type of style you want. You will see three main sections called wallpapers, colors, and gradients. Wallpapers are more detailed designs, often with patterns or artwork that fill the background area behind your messages. Colors are simple, solid color setups that mainly change the color of the chat bubbles and some accents. Gradients blend two or more colors together, creating a smooth fade across the chat that can make messages easier to read while still looking lively. Tap your preferred theme from any of these sections. As soon as you tap, Messenger will preview that look in the background of your current chat. On many devices, the change appears instantly, without needing any save button. If you change your mind, you can simply tap another option in the list to switch again. Some themed wallpapers also change the default emoji for that chat, which you will see near the text box. The background will change automatically in that conversation, and the other person in the chat will see the new style too. You have now customized your Messenger chat background using themes, wallpapers, colors, and gradients. If this helped you give your chats a fresh look, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.